Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into why someone would still choose Sublime Text in 2025, even with the plethora of modern editors available. It's a fascinating look at a long-standing tool that's surprisingly still relevant. Let's get started.
I'm intrigued. So many new code editors have emerged, boasting AI features and flashy interfaces. What makes Sublime Text stand out, or even hold its own in 2025?
Well, the author of this article, a 15-year Sublime user, points to several key factors. First, and perhaps most importantly, speed. Sublime is incredibly fast. It launches instantly, uses minimal resources, handles large files with ease, and rarely crashes. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense approach to code editing.
Speed is definitely a big plus, especially when dealing with large projects. But what about features? Modern editors often pack in a ton of functionality.
Absolutely. Sublime's strength lies in its core features and its extensibility. It has excellent support for Language Server Protocol, LSP, allowing for features like intelligent code completion and hover information, comparable to what you'd find in Fiverr's code. But what's really interesting is Sublime's implementation of LSP. It allows multiple servers per file, detection at a scope level, and highly extensible configuration, even supporting LSP servers installed as binaries. It's incredibly flexible.
That's impressive. So it's not just about speed, but also about the power and customization of its features. What about other aspects, like snippets?
Sublime's snippet system is another highlight. It's scope-based, meaning you can target snippets to specific parts of your code, making them incredibly precise. It supports tab stops with nesting, placeholders, and even transformations, allowing for complex code generation. The author even shows examples of sophisticated view component snippets with transformations for case conversion. It's a powerful system.
Wow, that sounds advanced. And what about project management? How does Sublime handle that?
Sublime uses project workspaces, managed through simple JSON files. These files allow you to configure settings, include/exclude files and folders, define build systems, and even tweak LSP settings on a per-project basis, all without needing additional plugins. The author contrasts this with other editors, where similar functionality often requires plugins, highlighting Sublime's built-in capabilities. It's all very streamlined.
That's a compelling argument for simplicity and efficiency. But what about build systems? Are they as robust?
Sublime's build systems are straightforward JSON files, easily customizable and extensible. They can call global commands, local dependencies, or commands from other tools. Plugins can also provide build systems, further enhancing flexibility. The author provides examples of build systems for linters and code analysis tools, showcasing their simplicity and power. It's all very intuitive.
So it seems Sublime excels in core functionality and customization. But what about some of the other features mentioned, like multiple cursors and key bindings?
Sublime has robust multiple cursor support, a standard feature in modern editors. Its key bindings are highly customizable and support contextual bindings, allowing for powerful shortcuts based on the current context. The author highlights the JavaScript language support package as an example of effective contextual key bindings. It's all very well integrated.
So it's a well-rounded editor. Are there any downsides or areas for improvement?
The author mentions a few things on their wish list. Better documentation for plugin development would be helpful, and improving the plugin development experience with things like starter templates would be beneficial. Also, the process of adding plugins to the package control site could be streamlined. Finally, having per-project key bindings would be a nice addition. But overall, these are minor points.
It sounds like Sublime Text, despite its age, remains a strong contender in the code editor landscape. Its speed, customization options, and well-integrated features make it a compelling choice for many developers. Thanks for breaking it down for us.
You're welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.